Hi amigas, let's make imitation crab salad. I love the stuff from the deli, but I like making it at home with a kick. So we're going to start off with a large package of crab, imitation crab. You could use real crab, but the imitation crab hits different. Or maybe I'm just used to like la vida pobre, who knows. So we're going to shred it up. I'm using a bread cutter, a dough cutter. Look, my cutting board has a smiley face. It's letting you know to be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Okay, now we're gonna grab a handful of pickles. You could just use like one large pickle, or I only had these, so this is what I used. All right, so now that we are chopping them up nice and fine, super fine, like you want them minced. All right, now we're going to cut up a whole jalapeno. These are the slices, so you could use a whole one with the seeds if you want it spicier. About a handful of olives as well. These are sliced olive. I love crab salad, you guys. Like, sometimes I'll add shrimp meat, like the little tiny shrimps. Now we're going to chop up some green onion. Small slices, everything bite size. We're gonna put all of those ingredients into our crab meat. You can also add cream cheese if you want it to be more like a dip. Like, I like to eat this like a dip, but with just crackers or bread. All right, you're gonna make sure it's all well mixed. Now we're going to grab some garlic powder, some sweet relish, not too much. You don't want it to be too sweet. You want to get like those sour, salty, and sweet bites. All right, about 4 tablespoons of mayo. I also add sour cream, but I didn't record that for some reason. But I did add about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. All right, and now we're going to add some garlic salt and some coarse pepper. And then I realized that it didn't look right. I'm like, oh, we need some shredded cheese. I just do Colby Jack and then cheddar, but this is all I had in my fridge. So this is what we used, the Mexican blend. And now you're gonna serve it over a bed of lettuce with some crackers and enjoy. I hope you guys like this. And if you don't, well, don't be negative, okay? It's 888. Be positive. Bye, guys. I'll see you soon. Let's get on. Bye.